Hey everyone.
Welcome back to our channel and happy 2026!
Woo! Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. So we wanted to start off this 2026 season with an unboxing from Popmart. It's a brand new series called the Chaka Luminous Reverie series. I believe this just came out in December like 26 or so. But I thought this was a really cool design overall. We have little bits and pieces of the Chaka artist, but just wanted to actually unbox the full series because we haven't done that yet. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started here. Hope everyone had a good 2025. Cheers to an amazing 2026 ahead.
Definitely.
Alright, so kind of slim this down here. And then once I unwrap this, I'm going to show you guys what you could possibly get and the reason why I thought this was really cool. Anyway, so hopefully you guys can see this. I'm just going to kind of slowly pan across here. And I apologize if for some reason the designs didn't turn out. But it usually has, I think it's like a series of 12. There is a potential for a secret, so we are always on the lookout for a secret. Would be really fun to get one. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just unbox this. Let me just see how we go about this. We always do this every single unboxing here. There you are.
There
okay,
it is.
Perfect.
Woo!
All right, so
Popmart official.
Popmart official. So go ahead and choose one.
Oh, this is yours. It's your set. Go for it.
Well, I'll just go ahead and just do.
Oh, normally we do 9, but these are sets of 12. Okay.
Yeah, this is a set of 12. So
we'll go side by side.
All right, cool. So
nice box. I love the design. It's very angelic looking with these. Very cool.
and I'm just gonna show ahead here, like these possible designs. Let's see. Out of all of these, which one would you want to get?
Feather looks cool.
Oh yeah, I had a feeling you'd like feather because of that red and golden.
Phoenixy looking.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I actually like all of them. Grand display is what's on the actual cover of the box, but guidance would be cool. Secret would be cool. All right.
Secret.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. You can tell that with that zip.
That zip
is a Popmart official. All right. All right. I did not get the card out. Let's see here. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh,
cool.
All right. So this one. Ooh, this is really pretty.
Is that guidance?
I think that's guidance. Guidance.
Guidance
Ooh,
is cool.
that was one I really
nice.
wanted to unbox.
It's like pink wings, pink butterfly or fairy wings.
I love it. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is really pretty. I'm so excited for this. Okay. And then the thing about these figurines is that I realized that there are stands to these, so we kind of have to be on the lookout for it. So I think
Probably in the box.
It's probably in the box in here. So let's see. So this one, the pink one, the guidance one, has it has this cute little flame that will go on top here, and then I think there's a stand. The stand portion will go on the bottom here. So yeah. There's that.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, as we've kept unboxing these, I've noticed that we need to keep an eye out for these stands and extra pieces and stuff. All right, so which one did you get?
It's the sideways one, so I'll open up that.
No, right. All right, ready? Ooh. Which one is that one? Oh, looks like that one is tea break.
Tea break. We like tea. It's like a very it's like got some clearness to it.
Yeah, there's like a
she's drinking a tea.
Yes.
Nice.
Very cute. Love it.
And of course, there's a stand in here, which is cool. So, yeah.
All right.
Back safely.
All right. Yeah, as always, we always just put this back in safely.
For our display later.
For our display, yep. I think I have one more display case there.
We have a couple.
Yeah, I think so. We'll be able to build this for you. All right, you get to choose. All right.
Corner pocket.
Corner pocket? Okay. Here, I'll help you out.
There we go.
That's that. All right. All right, so, all right. I'll go ahead and go first.
It's always fun unboxing these, especially when you're just looking out for a secret.
Unbox therapy is real, guys. Alright. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Ah. Ooh. What is this one? Ooh, this one's very more ocean-esque kind of.
What is that?
This one looks like. Oh, it looks like it's the
Grand Display.
Okay. So it is the Grand Display. That's the one that's on the cover here. So
Oh, is that
very,
funny?
very pretty.
Oh, I like it.
I like it too.
I do like that. Yeah.
I like it too. So
I like the uniformity in this. Look,
Yes.
it's like very triangle-y, leads up to a single point.
yep,
That was in the classical period, right?
yep,
Yeah.
mhm.
Balance, order, and harmony.
Yep, exactly.
Read about it.
Yep.
All right, my turn.
I'm just having to scoot a little bit closer than me.
Oh, yes, that frame. Cool. Coming back in. So look at the card. Set that aside. And rip.
I know. Here.
Whoosh.
What is this one? Ooh.
It's got a big flower one.
This
This
one
is
is the spinning. Okay.
Because she is kind of like spinning. I'll you focus in on that. Boom. Spinning. Cool. Very rose buddy. It is a rose. I like the whoosh around here. Okay.
Let's see here.
Pick away, pick away.
You pick.
You picked? You already picked?
I already picked. I'm fast.
So fast.
I'm fast. There you go.
Top pocket.
All right. All right. Come on, secret. Come on. Let's see here. Ready?
Ooh.
This one's a little wrapped up here. All right, let's see what it
We
is.
got it over here. Only one with wrapping.
Ooh,
What is that?
what is this one? Wait, what is this one?
Messenger.
Messenger.
Oh, messenger, right here.
Messenger's right there. I was like, oh,
I was like,
okay.
oh, is that a secret? Nope, messenger.
Oh, and then look at this
Oh.
behind here. There's like a little bit of glitter behind here.
And they actually give you on the back of the card some things. So this reads, the messenger holds high the invitation to the grand feast. The peacock spreads its tail quietly, waits for nature to wake up. The feather drops. The starlight bows, flapping wings following the scattered ripples with the wind. That's cool. And I actually
That is
don't think they have many things on the other ones, right?
Yeah,
At least not that I pay attention to, but cool.
that was pretty cool. I like that one.
That was a good structure
I
to it.
can't wait to like just put these on display later on.
Oh, next project for today.
Probably.
All right, my turn. Look, I saw some.
That's awesome to
Is
do.
that the feathers? I see some. Is it the feathers masks? I think it was. Come on, give me a feather. Oh, I think it is. Woo!
Oh,
So there's
yep.
this, and then the mask. Oh, that's so cool.
That
you
is
guys can
cool.
see that. I like this one. Oh, it's like a phoenix and feather. Oh, it's like an owl face, right?
Yeah.
It's cool. Oh,
I was hoping that you would just unbox
yay.
that. There you go.
Woohoo!
You got
This one's nice.
what you wanted on. I mean, I really like all of them so far. So.
They're all nice designs. Yeah.
Alright. Return again. There you go. Alright, there we go.
Okay. Put this away safely.
Yeah. That way we can just put them on display later. Oh my gosh. Alright.
Same time.
Yes, let's do it.
Without pulling out any of the things because I saw what it was last time.
Ooh.
Oh. What is that? That looks like. Is that Ripple?
Ripple. There
Ripple.
you go. That's pretty cool. The Ripple one's pretty cool.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Secret pull, secret pull.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I think this one is, yes, here off the little horn. Oh, this one's like a bug one. Honey down?
Yeah.
Honey wealth, what's it? Honey, the last one.
Honey down. Honey down.
Honey down. Oh, it's a bee.
Aw.
I'm guessing. Honey down. Cool. I like how they protect the antlers and stuff.
I do like that too. Alright.
Go for that secret pull.
Alright.
Alright, we got 3 more left, guys.
Oh,
4 more left.
4
Sorry.
more left, yep. Alright.
Go for a secret.
Secret, 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 secret. Let's see. Alright. Oh.
Another wrapped up one.
Ooh. Ooh, this one's pretty. Look at this one.
It's got wings. What is it?
Glide with grace. Oh, I
Oh,
love that
that's
one.
cool.
That's so.
Is that like angelic one?
Yeah,
Oh, that's very
I
nice.
love it.
Oh, it's like it's a bird.
It's so cute.
Oh, that's nice. I like the
This
wings
is
on
pretty.
that one.
This
That's
is
actually
pretty.
one of.
This is
That's
pretty.
a good one. I like that second to feather.
Yep, I
'Cause
love
it's
that.
got
It's
wings.
so
Bird
pretty.
wings. That's cool. I like that one.
That one's so pretty.
All right, guys. Next one.
Alright. Try and see which one we've got left here.
Oh, another one's the card. Get away. This is a small guy. Look at this. Small one.
No, that's pretty small.
All right, guys, let's go. Ooh, has its own casing in here.
Ooh. What is this? Oh, this one. Echoes on the vines.
Echoes on the vine. Which is on the vine. It's cool how they package them. Very.
Is that your box? This is my box.
This is my box over here.
There we go. Put this back in the box here. Right, last two.
Last two.
Pretty cool. Alright, I really like the series overall.
Yeah, I like these.
Alright. I mean, I like the series overall, so if you guys secret or just normal, totally fine with it. Alright, ready, 1, 2, 3.
Go for a secret.
Had a feeling I would get this one. This one is the Brief Embrace. This one's
Brief
pretty,
embrace. Oh, that's nice.
really pretty. Alright, last but not least.
Ripple. Maybe? Oh,
No, it might be in the Ginkgo Breeze.
Oh yeah, ginkgo. Ginkgo biloba. Okay, let's do it.
Pretty.
Ginkgo breeze.
Or secret.
Or a secret.
Let's see.
Oh, big package.
This is a big package.
Let's
Right,
go.
ready?
Oh, not far enough.
I don't. Uh-oh.
I got you.
Alright.
Last pull, guys.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there you go.
Into the ginkgo breeze.
There.
In a ginkgo breeze.
That's pretty.
Very cool.
This is really pretty. Ooh. That is
Oh,
pretty.
she has a little fuzzy on her.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
pretty.
Sweet, guys. Thank you so much
Thank
for coming
you.
along.
Thanks for coming along on this journey. Hopefully we'll have some more unboxings this year. And happy 2026.
Happy New Year, guys,
Happy
again.
New Year.